As we wrap up our week-long tribute to retro school cafeteria lunches, I knew we needed to include a staple that was on the menu almost every Friday. It's fish sticks, but rather than making them exactly like they did back in the day, which were often pretty plain, we thought we'd give them an up-to-date twist. We start off by cutting about 1.5 pounds of fresh cod or haddock into 1-inch strips. Now, instead of simply dipping these in beaten eggs like the cafeteria ladies used to do, we dip ours in some ranch dressing, which will give these a ton of flavor. And forget coating them in plain old breadcrumbs, because we're rolling ours in finely crushed potato chips that we seasoned with a few off-the-shelf spices. Once they're coated, we'll pop them in the oven for 20 minutes or so until the fish flakes. Let me tell you, these are way better than the fish sticks I had in school. And when you serve these with the typical go-alongs, get ready for a dish that'll make the grade. The updated version for our Cafeteria fish sticks is online now, along with all of our retro cafeteria recipes from this week. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, and I hope you had as much fun as we did, 'cause, ooh, it's so good.